Look how beautiful it is, baby. Woo! We are rolling, we are rolling. All right. All right. Got the Instagram story. If you want to follow my Instagram, you know, I think it's in my channel banner or some shit. I don't really care that much about Instagram, but if you want to follow it, I might have it up on the screen or some shit. But yeah, guys, we are out. The sun's like in and out. It's like behind clouds. A couple of cumulonimbus clouds up there. I don't know if that's how you say it, but it sounded right. But yeah, so the sun's like in and out, but it's still a beautiful day. Wind's down. It's nice and warm, so yeah, should ride it. But yeah, I'm still a little bit worried that the carbon seal might be fucked, so yeah. Might go for a ride, go up there and then stop down and have a look in the hole. If there's heaps of water in it, then uh-oh. Because I drained it out from last time, so if there's heaps of water in there still, something's up. But yeah, so can't wait to start riding more, guys. It's getting to that weather, man. The weather's beautiful. Let's have a look, see, eh? Hey, stay here, buddy. Can't see anything crazy besides like a couple of little droplets, but that's just from, you know, doing a couple of burnouts. Yeah, nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Okay, you can stay out here for a bit longer. Nothing crazy. There's only like a couple of little droplets, but like I think that's like normal if you like, that's expected to do a couple of burnouts. Ah, fuck, I can't get a seat back in. Fucking wave brake is breaking me. Alright, let's get back out of here. Ah, let's go out, check the bar. But I did see a lot of black dust, which is a sign of carbon seal, like wearage, whatever you call it. There's a lot of like black dust and shit down there. I think I gotta ride it for a little bit longer, see if any water comes in. Yeah, like I got a slight feeling it is fucked, but like, you gotta ride it a little bit longer. That's the thing, man. It's the thing that sucks about SeaDoos, man. But it's been like, it's been over 100 hours since the carbon seal was last replaced, well, supposedly. That's what they told me. And my last, like my first time I served this thing was like at 80 hours or some shit. It was the second service that it's ever done. It was like 85 hours. Oh, motherfucker. Yeah, so I don't know, man. There's signs of carbon seal wearage and shit, like all the black dust, but there wasn't a whole lot of water. There wasn't barely any water in the holes as of yet, but could have to ride it a little bit longer and see. So yeah. Woo.
After Fox 11 first aired the story promo, members of Shoreline Mafia posted to their Instagram account this response: expletive Fox, we sipping juice for life.
B-boy taught me, B-boy taught me. Rah-rah, do that shit, rah-rah, do that. I've been ballin' out, boy, it ain't nothing major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a lick, you get hit with the lasers. I'm smoking hella pack while I counter this paper. Ballin', this ain't no free throw. Got your bitch on my dick, she a freak hoe. Pull with 6, I remix while she deep though. Drop the top off the whip, but bitch, this ain't a Jeep though. Fast rich bad bitch, you know when how we go. I'm a me go, I ain't talking about the trio. In the pack, hella must smell like some B.O. You buy more than one, then I might cut a deal. For real, for real, for real. Pack, hella must smell like some B.O. You buy more than one, then I might cut a deal. I've been ballin' out, boy, it ain't nothing major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a lick, you get hit with the lasers. I'm smoking hella pack while I counter this paper. I've been ballin' out, boy, it ain't nothing major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a lick, you get hit with the lasers. I'm smoking hella pack while I counter this paper. I be fucking hoes, but it ain't no major. Oh what, baby, you ain't know I was a player. Running around the city, think I should run for mayor. Let a bitch choose up, you the type of nigga say what then. All you niggas disappointments. Nut on your bitch, rub it on her like some ointment. Got your bitch on the way, she got a dick appointment. And all my niggas finna join. You be worried about a bitch, I be worried about some coin. Good steak on my plate, you be eating sirloin. Good lean in my cup, every sip I enjoy. On trick on the bitch, she a bitch unemployed, ayy. But she got a trick on me, it's a fee for the G's. Make a G off her knees, I ain't tryna be the P. But she begged on her knees, so she run that shit up and run it right back to me. I've been ballin' out, boy, it ain't no major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a lick, you get hit with the lasers. I'm smoking hella pack while I counter this paper. I've been ballin' out, boy, it ain't no major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a lick, you get hit with the lasers. I'm smoking hella pack while I counter this paper.